Hey, my name is Matt Johnson with Gulf Coast Property Management. In this video, I'm going to explain how we handle maintenance events. Unfortunately, maintenance events occur, things break, things wear out. Whether your home is brand new, recently modeled, or 50 years old, your property is going to need proper care and maintenance. You want to know that your home is being taken care of by both the tenant and the people you are paying to manage and maintain it. You don't want to overpay for repairs to be left in the dark in the process. Protecting and maintaining your home and your investment is a top priority for property managers. We're here to handle all maintenance issues, large and small, reduce stress and hassle involved in the process. Our property management systems offer seamless 24/7 support for any maintenance issue and emergency. During our onboarding process, our property managers will record your maintenance preferences and will create an individual maintenance protocol with you. At Gulf Coast, we employ in-house maintenance technicians. Our in-house technicians have years of experience in the rental maintenance fields and are often able to complete maintenance tasks quicker and for less money than local vendors. This results in less maintenance friction, which in turn leads to happy tenants and ultimately happy property owners. Not being able to handle every single maintenance event, we have developed a bank of licensed, insured, and value-oriented vendors who can call upon safe in the knowledge that they deliver reliable, consistently good service. Having negotiated great prices with these vendors, you will also see the benefit in maintenance savings. We also understand that you have your own preferences when selecting vendors, which, while we don't mandate how maintenance is performed, if you want to work with a particular vendor, then let us know and we'll include that vendor in our property maintenance notes. The only thing we ask is that they be sufficiently licensed and insured. You don't need me to tell you about the risks involved in employing unqualified and uninsured tradespeople. Let's now look at how communication happens relating to maintenance issues. Through a combination of technology and direct communication, we coordinate and communicate with tenants, owners, vendors for nearly all maintenance scenarios. We'll start with understanding how most maintenance issues are originated. Our tenants are instructed to use one of two methods to request any maintenance. The first is to report any maintenance issues online through our website or by logging into the tenant portal. The second is to call our 24/7 maintenance hotline to report any issues. We have a maintenance contact center that is available 24/7 to answer maintenance calls even after hours. If there's an emergency in the middle of the night on a weekend, it will be handled immediately. If it is something that we can wait for the next business day, our in-house staff will take care of it. For any calls received by our maintenance contact center, they will go through some troubleshooting with the tenant during the call. This troubleshooting process prevents many requests from needing a maintenance technician to be dispatched at all and saving the property owner and repair costs. Any maintenance request creates an immediate notification by text and email to our property managers. Requiring tenants to report maintenance issues either online or by calling our maintenance hotline has several benefits. All maintenance is tracked through our property management software, which can be viewed by all necessary parties, including the property managers, accounting staff, property owners, and tenants. Property managers have more time to focus on the task involved to provide the necessary maintenance. A maintenance request can be sent for the property owner's approval or input during any time of the process. From this maintenance request, property managers can easily send the work order to a vendor to take action. The work order will contain all of the information the vendor needs, including detailed and instructions on the work to be performed, along with any contact info and instructions. Now let's look at the communication with the property owner. Maintenance activity and work orders are communicated to our property managers and can be also viewed on our owner portal. Maintenance events under a certain threshold and emergency events will be managed by our property managers. Any work likely to exceed your preset maintenance limit will first need your approval. All maintenance events are available for review on the owner's portal. They are also available through our online portal. For our tenants, arranging time for work to be performed will either be done through our property managers or by allowing the vendor to contact the tenant directly to coordinate scheduling. Tenants can track the status of their maintenance request by any time by logging into the tenant portal. In an effort to save you more money, in the maintenance and tenant resources section of the website, we have created videos of instructions on handling common maintenance issues or performing ongoing care for your home, like changing filters. Tenants are encouraged to view these videos before submitting maintenance requests. To reduce the need to dispatch a vendor to handle a maintenance issue, our property managers also use these videos and instructions to send to tenants when handling any maintenance. As you can see, we offer you 24/7 solutions to maintain your home, save you money, and provide peace of mind to both you and the tenants. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-782-1559. Thanks.